Hey, we're starting week 2 and we're covering chapter 3 and 4 this week. And I just wanted to go over, you're going to click course notes and videos, and that's going to open up these 4 chapters. So chapter 1 and 2 were due last week. You can still complete homework. Late homework is accepted. You can earn up to 90% on it. There's a 10% late penalty. Quizzes cannot be made up, but I drop at least one quiz at the end of the session. So if you look in chapter 3, you'll see there's several pieces this week. One of the things I want to talk about is the chapter 3 videos, because we use StatCrunch for our calculations, and I want to make sure you understand that. So this video is going to talk about how to find the mean and standard deviation, and then there's also written steps for you. Let me go back and pick chapter 4. In chapter 4, you'll note there's a bonus discussion, and it can replace a previously lower discussion score or in the future too. So you might want to do that to put that in the bank at the end of the session. I'll replace your lowest discussion grade with a bonus discussion. And then you also have a chapter 4 discussion, quiz, and homework. In chapter 4, one of the StatCrunch methods we'll be using in linear regression is simple linear. Again, I have 2 videos, and then I have the written instructions. Please keep sending me questions and let me know if you have any other questions for the week. Have a great week.